It's Red here, and I had a pretty adventurous day today, and that's because, well, it's Sunday, and after church, went out to a normal after church dinner, and we stopped for some tacos, and then I was like, we should go look at the pets at Petco, and yeah. Here's a scene of Petco before it happened. And you'll understand in a few minutes what it is and why I look like this. Alright, here's that clip. I'm trying. There you go. Ready? Do that again. Then, after having all that fun with the cats, it happened. Our brand new car decided it didn't want to leave the parking spot. Yeah, that's right. The engine starts, but the shift, it doesn't want to leave park. It refuses to go in reverse. It refuses to go drive. So, we had to call a tow truck. Before the tow truck came, we had to go get something to drink because it was super hot today. And it was going to be a while for the tow truck. So luckily we were near Target store to go get a drink. Here's that.
Yeah, that's where they want.
Waldo.
Did you find Waldo?
No, I found Waldo.
We found mini Waldos.
Waldo. It's plush.
And then we were rescued by the tow truck. But the tow truck didn't have that much room. So my family, which is 4 of us, had to cramp into this one tow truck. Yeah, it was fun. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, that part was fun. I get to ride in a tow truck. For some reason, my life feels so complete now because I got to ride in a tow truck. I had a lot of fun in the tow truck. That way. Either way, here comes the clip. We are about to get towed by a tow truck.
But till then, we are going to do a reenactment of The Wizard of Oz. Dorothy, this is how long you have to live. You're dead.
Oh, the stuff that he does. Look at my face turning all red. My hair all sweaty, curly.
I
The
think
cool thing is,
should we
we're
get out of the
getting
car?
towed. What if we got towed in the car?
That'd be awesome. But you said it was illegal.
It is illegal. I think it's illegal.
That's what you can't do all the time.
The worst luck we.
So we got our car towed to Kia Place, and they locked the pathway so the tow truck can't get here, and it's closed. So I don't know what we're gonna do. My feet hurt.
My head's sweaty.
My feet hurt.
My head's sweaty.
Are you okay, Gumball?
No.
Can you believe this is happening?
No, I just want to sleep.
Now we're at the Kia place trying to get
Hi.
a ride. I guess one of
me.
Dad's friends,
Still
David's friends, is going to come
waiting
pick
for
us
a
up.
ride.
But I ran. Oh my God.
Look at
ran
Gumball.
on.
I think he's pretty much dead. Yes, sirree. I think we're all pretty much dead. It's just so hot. So hot. Or Gumball. I think we should do karaoke. It's like the only fun thing we can do right now.
No way.
Zuka Zuka bubblegum.
Even
Zuka
raised
Zuka
legend
bubblegum.
from the grave, so we don't want to dig a
How do you
grave.
say it?
and put
My
it
mama
in
gave me a dime.
pockets in it, thinking, well, I
So we
wanted
go buy
to
a
do
lime?
this, but you know, dig it right and bury it.
I didn't
We're
buy
not
no
gonna bury
lime.
our car.
Did
God's
I
with us.
buy
He gave us his
bubblegum?
cards so we could get here and be safe. And
Do you know how to sing
he's
that?
gonna fix it. He's gonna
You're
take
lame.
care of it. Well,
Alrighty, people.
Roseanne Dawn,
My
you were
iPod
able
battery
to
is
road
flashing
service.
that
So I
it's about to
called
be
Kia
dead. So I'm
Road
gonna save this
Service
to
and
see if
they told
anything
us for
interesting
free.
else
But
happens
the
today.
place is closed. So we're stranded
Alrighty,
in the
bye.
middle of
Doing
I'm filming.
that closed. Are you waiting for me to have one of my leave me alone bug
Yes.
moments? Feet, you're worse than the bug.
Yeah.
Well,
No,
Red
we
Sox
got
and
a
Yankees were
friend of ours
canceled.
coming.
They're still crying from yesterday.
This black bug is like attracted
Oh,
to
it
my nose
never
ring.
rains here.
Now that this really bad day is over, and I don't know why I'm acting dramatic. Anyway, now that this really bad day is over, I think I am gonna go to bed. Probably take a shower first. I feel all dirty and sweaty. I think that's what I need is a nice hot bath and go to sleep. Hopefully tomorrow we'll start out better. We're gonna go try and get our car fixed, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Alright, peace out.